inside of me in this sense that I can look at.
Welcome to Sir Joe Math Classroom. If you haven't subscribed to this page, please subscribe to the page, like the page, leave a comment and share with your friends. Now, if you are a math teacher and you find this page useful, please recommend the page to your students. Now let's look at the question. It is saying that solve ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. You can only solve it by using the completing of what square, the method of completing square. And let's see where we are going to arrive. And then let's see something. We have ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Now, before you'll be able to solve this, one rule is saying that make sure that the coefficient of x squared is 1. So we can do this by factorizing a out or divide both sides by a. Divide both sides by a. So let's divide both sides by a. So we have ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So we are dividing both sides by a. We are dividing both sides by a. We are dividing both sides by a. And we know that when we divide 0, it is going to give us 0. So you will remain it like that. You leave it like that. So with this, we'll cancel this. So at the end of the day, we are going to get x squared plus b x all over a plus c over a is equal to 0. Another rule is saying that you have to find half of x, not x squared, half of x. You add and you squared it, you add and deduct from both sides. So we have x squared plus, say, b over ax plus half of b over x. Half of b over a is going to give us b over 2a. You square it, you subtract it. The same way we are going to get b over 2a, you square it, plus c over a. It is equal to what? 0. It is equal to what? 0. Now, let's express this equation. X squared plus b over ax plus b over 2a squared. It can be written as x plus b over 2a all squared minus b squared all over 4a squared plus c over a, and is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Now let's continue by means of moving all of this to this side. So we have x plus b over 2a all squared is equal to b squared over 4a squared minus c over a. This is what you are going to get. Now let's express this one. When you express this, so you are going to get LCM of 4a squared a. 4a squared a. So when we express our left hand side, we are going to get x plus b over 2a all squared is equal to, when we express this one, we are going to get b squared minus 4ac all over 4a squared. Now, let's look at something. We have square here. So we are going to take the square of. This means that before we'll be able to do that, we have to what? Take square root of. Yes, we have to take square root at both sides. So this is going to give us x plus b over 2a all squared. So you take the root here. Is equal to b squared minus 4ac all over 4a squared. That one too, you take a root of it. And it's going to give us plus or minus. Plus or minus. Plus or what? Minus. So let's look at something. This will cancel this, the root here. And this one too, when we express it, we are going to get x plus b all over 2a is equal to plus or minus, let's say, root of b squared minus 4ac all over root of 4a squared. 4a squared. Now let's continue. We are going to express this one. And when we express this, we are going to get x plus b 2a is equal to plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a all over 2a all over 2a. Now let's look at something. Let's push this one here. So we are going to get x is equal to minus b over 2a plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a all over 2a. Then we can say that both of them are having what? The same what? Denominator. So we can factor them. So it is going to give us x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Have you seen it? This gives us what? The formula, or what we normally say, the almighty formula. So henceforth, it has been proved that ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0 can be what? Worked out to get the almighty formula. If you haven't subscribed to the page, subscribe to the page, like the page, leave a comment, and share with your friend. And if you are a teacher and you find this page useful, you can recommend it to your student. Yes, you can recommend it to your student. And then if you have any question, drop it at the comment section. If you want us to treat any topic with you, drop it at the comment section. Thank you very much.